All right, question number one. So it says membrane-bound organelles have been an important component in the evolution of complex multicellular organisms. Which of the following best summarizes an advantage of eukaryotic cells having internal membranes? So this is kind of a weird question. I mean, at least in my opinion, the wording is kind of strange, but it's important to realize that the actual question stem is which of the following best summarizes an advantage of eukaryotic cells having internal membranes. So this is all about the advantage of having internal membranes. So let's look at its choice A. Eukaryotic cells are able to reproduce faster because of the presence of organelles. Well, actually, that's not true. They actually don't reproduce faster. It takes a lot longer because there's those checkpoints, right? If you remember, like the cell growth cycle. Anyway, prokaryotic cells don't have those, so they can replicate much quicker. Answer choice B says some organelles, such as mitochondria and chloroplast, are similar to prokaryotic cells in structure. And at this point, I'm just kind of like, okay, I mean, maybe, right? I mean, yeah, sure, that's true, but how is that an advantage, right? It's just a statement. Okay, answer choice C says organelles isolate specific reactions, increasing metabolic efficiency. Okay, yeah, I mean, no, that's true, for sure. Um, so it's probably answer choice C, but let's see answer choice D. Compartmentalization leads to a higher mutation rate in DNA, which leads to more new species. And this is not the case at all, right? So basically, right, the nucleus, that compartment, actually is going to decrease mutations, right? Because now the DNA is, oops, sorry. Basically because DNA is protected from various things such as like free radicals and other like metabolites that are potentially harmful. Anyway, so that's a little bit more than you need to know, but yeah, so therefore in this case the correct answer has to be the correct answer has to be answer choice C, and that is in fact the correct answer according to the answer key. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you guys in those next videos.